Okay, let's take a little pause here for a moment. It's the end of January, and if you're not quite where you plan to be by the end of this month, if your closet reset is still sitting on your to-do list and along with many other things, if you thought, I should be further along by now, we are human and we are right on time. Every January, women feel like this internal pressure to start fresh, right? New year, new you. But life just doesn't happen that way. Just because the client calendar changes that we have to get everything done. And then guilt starts to sneak in. We're going to let go of that guilt today. So are you ready? So am I. Let's dive in. Well, if we've not met before, my name is Tina Schwan. I'm a personal stylist, and I empower ambitious women to show up, speak up, and shine through the transformative power of personal style. In his book, Atomic Habits, James Clear says, we don't rise to the level of our goals. We fall to the level of our systems. And this applies beautifully to your closet. Motivation fades, January energy wears off, even if it was ever there. And a clear supportive system will bring us forward. So closet resets fail, not because we lack discipline or taste, but because they're trying to rely on willpower instead of structure. Clarity does not come from trying harder. It comes from doing things a little bit differently. I recently worked with a client who said, you know what? I try to clean out my closet every January, and every January I fail. She would start strong, she'd pull everything out, get overwhelmed, and then slowly but surely she'd put it back, feeling frustrated and behind. When we finally worked together, we didn't rush. We didn't do everything at once. We followed a simple step-by-step process that fit her real life. Little by little, things began to clear, and clarity replaced chaos. She stopped second guessing and started to trust her instincts and her choices. And instead of feeling behind, she felt grounded. So that's the difference a system really makes. And that's why I decided to share my system with you through my online course called The Confident Closet. It's my step-by-step closet detox method, just like I use with my one-on-one styling clients in real life. But now it's available online, and you can do it in your own time. There's no rush, there's no pressure, and you're never doing it alone because I'm right there with you. And I'll share more about that in a moment. Okay, so here's what I want you to take with you today. You don't need to be perfect. You don't need the perfect moment to reset your closet or anything else. You need permission to start right where you are. Clarity doesn't come from doing everything all at once. It comes from consistency and being supported with steps by step. You're not late. You didn't miss your chance. It'll still be there, just like the dishes, right? And nothing is wrong with you. You're simply ready for a better way. So if you are ready to create a closet that feels calm, intentional, and supportive without the overwhelm, I'd love to invite you into my course, The Confident Closet. It's go at your own pace, and inside, we detox your closet step by step, build outfit clarity that works with your real life, and create confidence through alignment, not through perfection. And I'll be by your side every step of the way. You'll find the link to join the course anytime. You can join it anytime. It's called The Confident Closet, and the link is below in the description. But before you go, tell me in the comments, what's one thing you've been telling yourself you're behind on that you're ready to release?